This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the ears for my free amigurumi crochet pattern, Esther the Elephant. I've included a link to the pattern in the video description. At this point, you should have an elephant's head crocheted to the end of round 29. Start round 30 by single crocheting in the next 9 stitches. Next, grab ear 1. This is the ear that curves on the right side. Lay the ear face down against the head. Line up the 21 stitches along the flat side of the ear with the next 21 stitches of the round. Attach the ear by single crocheting 21 times through both the ear and the previous round of the head. Single crochet 9 to create the gap between the ears. Attach ear 2 as you crochet the remaining 21 stitches of the round. At the end of the round, you should have 60 stitches. When completing round 31, crochet into each stitch as normal. I'll show you what that looks like. The ears of your elephant are now attached. Refer to the written pattern to complete the remainder of the head. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!